हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द वीडियो। आज हम चला रहे हैं स्कोडा स्लाविया 1.0 टर्बो। 2025 का ये मॉडल है। इट हैज़ गॉट 1.0 3 सिलेंडर पेट्रोल टर्बो इंजन जो प्रोड्यूस करता है अराउंड 115 हॉर्स पावर एंड अराउंड 170 Nm ऑफ टॉर्क, which is pretty nice. But on paper, these figures doesn't seem to be good because it's a 1.0 turbo petrol engine. But when you drive this engine, it's absolutely fantastic. No one can call it underpower. It has got the right amount of power and punch on your toes. Yeah, but when you compare it with a 1.5, definitely you will feel a huge amount of difference because it's a 4-cylinder 1.5 liter turbo engine producing around 150 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque, which is definitely a very big number on papers, as well as while drivability, because the car size is same, so all the power doesn't goes to the weight of any excess. वो सारा आपको इसी गाड़ी में एक्स्ट्रा पावर मिलता है over and above this 1.0, so you definitely feel really good driving that 1.5. But when we talk about 1.0, it's more affordable, more convenient, and definitely you get similar mileage. I won't say mileage would be a difference, because what I've heard is that कि वो 1.5 में भी आपको लगभग सेम अमाउंट ऑफ पावर मिलती है, सॉरी माइलेज मिलती है. पावर बहुत ज़्यादा है बट सिटी में ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, बिकॉज इस गाड़ी में भी कोई बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. दिस इज़ व्हाट द इकॉनमी इज़ राइट नाउ. दिस इज़ द लॉन्ग टर्म इकॉनमी. तो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, सिटी में आपको इतनी मिलती है, बट व्हेन यू गो ओवर द हाईवेज यू कैन गेट अराउंड 16 kmpl, which is really nice. The best part is this car has got the best looks in the segment. वरना देख लो, सिटी देख लो, no car can beat the looks of this German Skoda Virtus and Skoda and Volkswagen Virtus and Slavia, because they have got the best looks in the segment. Yes, but in terms of steering wheel, I moreover like the design of Volkswagen. It has got really nice, beautiful steering wheel with steel buttons, looking buttons, which looks really hot. But when we talk about this car, it's very comfortable to drive in city. If you're buying a manual also, it won't take a lot of efforts on your left foot while pressing clutch and changing gears, because gears are not that much required. But on lower speeds you cannot pick this car from second gear, unlike any 4-cylinder like Honda Cities. So ये है guys हमारे जम्मू का बावे माता वाला मंदिर. This is the car. This car has also got ambient lighting, very awesome music system, which I cannot show you because of copyright issues. But let me show you the power it has got. Crazy. अभी यहाँ पे जो flyover है इसके ऊपर it's not very stable, but still the car keeps the balance really well. It has got the best stability in the segment. So yeah, that's the thing. अभी मैं 2000 RPM जैसे टच करता हूँ, it has got crazy amount of power. So as you can see, it's really good. You have great amount of punch on your toes for Indian roads, not for German, because this German is only for India. So also जम्मू की रोड्स काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हो रही है. जो भी रोड्स पहले ख़राब थी वो ठीक हो रही है, एंड कुछ रोड्स बहुत ख़राब भी हो चुकी है, जस्ट बिकॉज 1-2 साल में दे विल बी इन द बेस्ट शेप. सो वो प्री मैच्योर पीरियड है उस रोड्स का. So that's why they are in repair process. तो अभी इतनी अच्छी लगेगी नहीं आपको, but they are gonna be fantastic roads. तो जम्मू has, तो यार guys ये इशू है इस गाड़ी में कि आप इसको बहुत easily थर्ड गियर में 20 की स्पीड से you cannot pick it. It will take a effort because of 3 cylinders and not being a naturally aspirated engines like Honda Cities में ये बहुत up point होता है कि आप उसको सेकंड गियर पे या थर्ड गियर पे बहुत कम स्पीड्स में भी लिफ्ट कर सकते हो without juddering of engine. But this car needs needs to make sure that you are on the right speed with the right gear. You cannot go with any gear at any speed. So guys, this is the view. Let me show you some power of the car so that you can also feel the pickup. I'm in third gear right now, as you can see on the display as well. I will be giving a full throttle after crossing this Baleno. Let me give it. So there is some amount of lag. Now it pulls really well. It's pulling. Yeah, good. After 2.5 thousand RPM, it pulls really nice. So yeah, I would not say the best car in terms of overtaking over uphills, but yeah, not underpowered as such. You can do the overtakes, but it will take efforts. I have 1.5 liter Ford Aspire. That car feels more torquey at any gear, at any speed. It pulls really well, even though it's also a diesel. It has a turbo lag, but not this much as you can see in Slavia. But on higher speeds, on highways, I think Slavia is going to outperform Ford Aspire because of more number of gears. उसमें 5 आते हैं, इसमें 6 आते हैं. But this car has also got, good stability, which Ford doesn't have, because Ford Aspire is not a proper sedan. It's a hatchback turn 2 sedan, so you won't get this amount of stability in that car. But yeah, that's good. Guys, हम आ गए अपने NH1 पे. This is the road. ये हमारा रेडिसन है जम्मू का. Let me pull some power over here. Yeah, the exhaust note of this car is really good. You feel, good while pulling. But yeah, power is very well balanced according to the fuel efficiency, engine size and needs, but it's not that crazy as it used to be in GT's turbo petrol 1.2. That used to feel better than this. So guys, that's it for the video. I'm closing this video in next 1 minute. So I hope you like the video. This is a short review of Skoda Slavia, also known as Virtus. Both have same kind of drivability and engine numbers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.